Hello YouTube. This is a Swiss Volcano stove. It comes with a water bottle and a cup, and you burn twigs in it. So this time, I'm going to try this with this little elevated platform made out of some hardware cloth. There. And I'm going to use that. Well, here's what we got going on with using the little platform underneath there, and seems to be working pretty good. So here's the USGI canteen cup. Seems to sit on top of there pretty steady. This Snow Peak cup fits on here just barely. I don't think I like I mean, it's stable enough, but so yesterday I was putting this Snow Peak cup up on top of the stove, but it just barely sits up there. I didn't like that very much. Here's a Stanley cup that is the same way. It doesn't really sit up there. This is 3.5 inches in diameter, and what I need is a stand to put on top of there. And this is my old Peak 1 stoves, and it has this nice little stand on here that I might be able to repurpose, and it's 4.5 inches wide. So if I can remove this, I think I can take this perhaps and set it on here. There. With just a little bit of work, I think I can trim these tabs down.